Hello guys, welcome to Pepcoding, and today we're gonna solve this question, Cryptarithmetic, and we're gonna do it in Java. So first of all, the flow of this video will gonna something like we'll understand the question statement, then we understand an example, then we understand how we will approach to this question. After that, we will understand the logic behind this question, and at last we will just code this solution. So this is a very good question for backtracking and recursion. So if you have any problem regarding recursion, understanding recursion, this question can help you. So please stay with me till the end of this question and you will understand how you can do this. So now let's just move on to our question part. So we have given what? We have given three strings. String number 1, string number 2 and string number 3. And we let me highlight this for you. We have given three strings S1, S2 and S3, right? And I need to do what? First, you are supposed to add and form others. So we have to add S1 plus S2 and make S3. This is what I need to do. So, but how? How I need to do this? This is the third part. You have to map each individual character. I have to map each individual character of every string to a digit so that the above equation holds true. Now understand this. I have to map each individual character to a digit of every string so that the above equation holds true. Now let's understand from the example we have given below. We'll understand everything from there. So let me go okay. So we have given three strings which are what? We have given team, we have given pep, and we have given topper. So we have given what? We have given team, we have given pep, and we have given TOPPR, right? And the thing is, we need to do what? S1 plus S2 should be equals to S3, right? This is what we need to do. So first of all, here are all the solutions. Like these are the digits you can map to every character so that this equation holds true. But how? Let's check it out. So A is so first of all, let's see this equation. Let's see this equation first. Okay. So here we have T. T is what? T is 0. Then E. E is what? 9. A is 3. And M is 4. This will make 934. Plus Pep. P is what? 2. E is what? 9. And again P is what? 2. So this is 292. Should be equals to T is assigned 0. O is assigned 1. P is assigned what? 2, 2 and R is assigned 6. Should be equals to 1, 2, 2, 6. Let's check it out. 934 plus 292 should be equals to 1, 2, 2, 6. So 2 plus 2, sorry, 934. It is 934, right? 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 carry. 9 plus 2 is 11 and 1 is 12. 1 carry and 1. Isn't they are the same? So S1 plus S2 holds S3 is equal to S3 holds true. This is the basic question. Okay guys, this is the basic question we need to do. Okay. Let me erase it for now. And now just move on to our board and I will explain you how we can do it. So erase it for now. Now let's move on. We have given three words. Let's take three words for example. S1 as send, S2 as more, and S3 as money. MONEY. But before that, let's jump on to our coding part and understand what are the snippet and what are the things we have given. Okay, so let's do that also. So here we are given what? We are given three strings S1, S2 and S3. Then we have given a string unique. Unique is holding what? Unique is holding a string in which all the unique characters of S1, S2 and S3 are there. We also have a current map. Current map is what? Current map is the map which is holding the digits which are mapped to every character of S1, S2 and S3. So first of all, what we did is we make 3 loops for every string, and we created our unique here. We created our unique here with all the unique characters, and we also fill our map with -1 in front. For every character, we fill -1 at the start. Then we have this used number boolean, which is holding what? Which is holding that if a number is used or not, if 1 is used or not, if 2 is used or not, which is holding only that. And then we have our solution. Like this is the function we need to complete. Okay, we have unique, we have an index from where we are starting in the unique string. Then we have current map, which is the map. Then we have a used number, which is a boolean, then S1, S2 and S3. This is the function we need to complete. We will just do it in a minute, but before that, let's again get to our board and understand it with an example. We have 3 words: send, move and money, right? So if we have send, move and money, I do what? I make a map. I make a map with S, E and D with all the unique characters M, O, R and Y. And at the start, every character is mapped with, if you remember, -1. Every character is mapped with -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. And we also have a boolean of used. So let's also create this boolean of used, which is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And at the start everything is false, 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 right? So here let me put them a little bit in the side. Okay, and how will we approach to this question? This is the main thing, right? We have this a unique string, we have a map, and we have all the digits. So what I thought about it is, I will give every character a chance at every level for all the possibilities, for all the digits that are there. Understand it with like this. Now first of all, we are at level 0. At level 0, I do what? I give chance to S to map to every character from 0 till 9. It can make to any character. Okay, so at the level 1, what I'm doing, I'm giving a chance to character for every possibility of digits which are there, right? Now you understand it. Now let's move to second part. So for example, if S uses 0 at the level 0, what will happen? We will do what? We will it is mapped to -1, so we will change it. 0 is used now. So if 0 is used, what I need to do? I need to make 0 true, and I need to do what? I need to map S with 0. One thing is done. Now when S used 0 in the second level, chance gives to E. E get its chance. Now E don't have the possibility of 0 to 9. S has the possibility of 0 to 9. But E has the possibility from 1 to 9. Why? Because 0 is already used. Now you're getting my point, that if a digit is already used, it doesn't get the chance again, right? So E will get a chance from 1 to 9, every possibility till 1 to 9, right? So for example, if E chooses 1, again we need to do what? Change the map digit, because now E chooses 1, and here it is also true. And one more thing, for the next term, this is not the ending. Like the next digit is SEN. So in the N part, now N has the chance to choose from 2 to 9. It cannot choose 1 because 1 is already used, right? Then again do the same thing. We remove -1 from N, we remove false from here, and we make it 2 is chosen by n, and here 2 is true. And one more thing, we have to make a call. Forget, we have to make a call from 2. And in the next part, what will come? Next part, okay, remove it, okay. So n is 2 right now, okay, and 2 is mapped, so 2 is true. Now comes the part 2, D. Now D get the chance. Now as D gets the chance, and D will choose what? Let's say D chooses 5. Well, in the starting D will choose 3, but for your preferences, let's say D already chooses 3 and come back, and right now D choose 5. D has a chance to till 9. Remember this. So what we need to do again? We need to remove -1 from D. We need to remove false from 5, and we need to again make it true. True at 5, 5 at D. But now understand, this is how this tree will gonna behave. So I cannot make the whole tree, because that whole tree will be a very big tree, and that I cannot, that is not feasible or possible here. So now try your imagination. We are started from S, we give chances to every digit, and we reaches till Y. At the Y, what we will do, we will check if now S1 plus S2 is 3 or not. If S1 plus S2 is equal to S3, then we will just print. But if S1 plus S2 is not S3, what we will do? Then is the question, what we will do? And at that point, backtracking is the one which will help us. How? That we reaches till the last point, but now as we moved in the upward direction like this, we will do our backtracking. We will again go back to every condition, and we will try to choose to whatever the condition is best for us. This is the how we will move, right? And by this way, we will go through the every condition, and the condition which is favorable, or I can say which did this equation pass, which did this condition pass, is our solution, is our answer, that we will predict. Now let's move to our coding part, and I'll just code this solution. It is also an easy question. So this is the thing we need to complete it. So let's do it this. So first of all, what I needed to do here is I need to give chance to every character, every digit. So I'll make a for loop int num is equal to 0 till num is smaller than equals to 9 and num plus plus. Okay, this thing is done. But before making this call, before making this loop, I need to extract my character from the unique string, right? So I'll do what? Char ch is equal to unique dot char at index, right? Now I get my character, and I make a loop from 0 to 9 because I need to give chance to every digit. Now I will choose if that digit is used or not. So if used, numbers of num is equal to false. If this is false, we will do nothing. Oh, sorry. If this is false, only then we will do our operation. If this is true, we will do nothing, because if this is true, that will remind us that this digit is used or mapped to someone else. So if this is false, that means this digit is not mapped to anything else, and I can use this digit. So first of all, I do what? I make it true. Used num plus num is equal to true. I make it true. In the second term, I need to do what? I need to map it. So char int map dot put ch comma. Second thing is done. Now I need to do what? I need to make my recursive call, right? Solution. Spelling is already wrong. Okay, solution and here I need to send what? Unique, then index plus 1, then char int map comma used numbers comma s1 comma s2 comma s3, all are done. Now after solutions I need to again do what? I need to go do backtracking, and for backtracking first of all I need to do what? Int map dot put. Let's put -1 back. Then second thing, do used and make used numbers of num false again. False again. So this is all the basic code for this question. This is the very basic code for this question. This is the basic logic behind this question. But now comes the upper part. So first of all, we need to do what? We need to understand. We need to think about our base case. Now let's think about base case. What is the base case? If index is equal to unique dot length. If this is the case, we need to do what? If we reach till the end, at that time we need to check. We need to check what? We need to check if number 1 plus number 2 is equal to number 3. That if the number created by that string are equal or not. Okay. Now one more thing. We need to get these numbers first. Right. So let's do this. Int num1 is equal to get num s1 comma char int map. This get num function, we haven't created it yet. We will create it, but till then, just think like this is giving us a number from string. Okay, get num s3 s2. Okay, this is done. Then when we check that if number 1 plus number 2 is equal to 0, 0. Now let me show you one more thing. That we need to do what? We need to print it, but we cannot print it directly. We can only print it in lexicographical order, like A, then E, then M, then O, then P, then R, then T. Lexicographical means the order in which the words are saved in dictionary. Like B will always come after A, C will always come after B, in that manner, right? So for that manner, now see what I will gonna do. I will do what? I will make a for loop. For loop from int I is equal to 0, I is smaller than 26, and I plus plus. Why I am doing this? I'll tell you. First of all, I do what? Char ch is equal to char a plus I. Here what I did? A plus I. A is why I giving me what? Understand it. This thing is creating a loop from 0 to 26. No, not from 0 to 26. This is creating a loop from A to Z. If you understand it in this CH manner, this is giving me A to Z, all the character of A to Z. From 0 to 26, I get every character, right? But if I am getting it from character A to character Z, I am already in the lexicographical order, right? Now I will check. Now I will check if my map contains this character or not. If char int map dot contains key character. If my map contains this character, then I need to print system dot out dot print ln, or I can say just print ch plus dash plus dash plus char int map dot get again ch plus then space. This is done. Now I need to do what? I need to change the line. System dot out dot println. This is done, and at last I need to do what? I need to return. This function is done. Now the only thing left for us to do is this get num function. Now let's do this function also. Now let's create this get num also. This is the only thing remaining. So we make it public static int get num. Get num has a string s1, or I can say just s, and a hash map of character comma integer with char int map. Now first of all, let's create a string. Why? I'll tell you. A string num is equal to this. Now again make a loop. I'll tell you why I'm doing this with this, what I'm doing. Just give me a second. I is smaller than s dot length and I plus plus. And here I do what? Char ch is equal to s dot char at. Don't be get bored. I'll just come back to you guys after writing this function. I will gonna explain you every single thing of this function. Don't worry. Num plus equals to char int map dot get ch, and at last I need to return integer dot parse int. Now understand what this function is doing. So this function get num, first of all I created a variable of a string, right? Then I run a loop from 0 to string dot length, from 0 till the end of the string which we have given, and I extract every character by character from that string, and I take out the digit. I take out the digit from the map of that character and I concatenate it with a num, right? For example, let me show you. If in our map A is mapped to 3 and C is mapped to 4 and D is mapped to 5, right? And I have a string called ACD, right? And I have a string called ACD. So what I'm doing is I'm running a loop from A to D. I'm running a loop from A to D. At the first I take a variable num, right? I also take a variable, let me tell you, num, which is nothing, which is a empty string in the start. So num is getting what? From A I will get what? 3. So num will be at that stage 3. Then in the second stage, second iteration, I will get 4. So num will be 3, 4. The third iteration, I will get what? 5. So num will be 3, 4, 5. But in the string, num is 3, 4, 5, but in a string. So after getting this string, I need to do what? I need to make it integer dot parse int. I need to make integer from that string. Simple. And I need to return it. Very simple, guys, right? Let me erase it. Now let's get back to this function. So we already completed this function. This function is done. Now let's try to submit this code. Or first of all, run this code if this is working fine or not. If there's any compilation error, we will check it out, right? Now let's try to run this code first. Accepted. Now let's try to submit this code. Okay, it is taking a longer time, but very correct answer. So guys, if you understand the explanation, if you understand what I told you in this question, if you understand the recursion and backtracking, if you understand how you can do this question of crypto arithmetic, please like the video. If you have any query left regarding this question, please comment it out and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys.